Hey quilters, let's talk about irons. Ask any quilter. Having the right iron is as important as your sewing machine or rotary cutter. The Panasonic Cordless 360-degree freestyle iron is designed with quilters in mind. When it comes to pressing and steaming, this iron is a superstar. But first, just look at how light and portable this iron is. If you're heading to quilting class or just meeting up with a few friends to sew, this iron is light and easy to transport. And check this out. This iron is cordless. It's an amazing feeling. That's because it charges from the base, which has a retractable reel that neatly stores the power cord. Sleek and safe. The sole plate is nickel-coated, so when you start ironing, you'll notice how the iron glides across the fabric. Full 360-degree freedom. The precision tips make it easy to open up your seams and press them nice and flat. The water tank detaches from the iron with the touch of a button, which makes filling the water quite simple. When full, the tank instantly snaps back into place and you're ready to steam away. As you iron, a convenient spray mist button instantly puts an extra shot of moisture exactly where you need it. Just select the temperature setting for the fabric you're ironing. To maintain the proper temperature, place the iron back in the base. After 30 minutes, the charging base will turn itself off automatically. It's so nice making the blocks really crisp. The right iron can make a night and day difference creating your binding and finishing your quilt.